How's it going, everybody? Anthony's Bake Show here. I was going to do everything on YouTube, but for some reason it's not working right, so I'm not doing it on YouTube. I am right here on Facebook live with everybody. Now, we're going to give you a couple minutes. Since I was already in the process of doing it on YouTube, I've already cut up my chicken, added it to the pan, added my alfredo sauce. So this is chicken and alfredo sauce. This is my noodles. So we're going to let it cook probably, I don't know, until the noodles are done at least. I'm going to go ahead, I'll stir on it a little here, stir on it a little there. I'm Miss Debbie. Doing chicken alfredo. YouTube didn't work out. It says that I got to update my mobile device, which, you know, it's not on, so it's just not working. I'm micro. But hold on a second, I gotta open the door. Okay. Got a little smoke in here because I had something on a burner. But once again, I'll show you guys. This is our alfredo with the chicken in it. I do have pieces of chicken in here, as you can see. And then my noodles, they're boiling or getting to boil. We got regular alfredo sauce, and then I have a 4-cheese alfredo sauce. So we're gonna let it simmer while my noodles boil. I think it usually takes about 10 minutes for the noodles to boil and get done. So we're just gonna let it simmer. I got it set at 4 right now, and then I will strain it. Which, if I remember correctly, yeah, we got this. We got this nifty lid, which I just put over the top, and then push it to the end. It's got a strainer already built into it, so it's boiling a little too fast, so we need to turn it down to like a 3 to make it actual simmer, so it'll cook about as long as the noodles. This is kind of my own recipe. I just threw it together. I know I got parm somewhere. I'm just right here, guys. Give me a second, I gotta find it. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. Just a little, I know I do things a little different. So that'd be 5 cheeses, I do believe. Which ain't no problem. I'm not worried about it. They'll eat it. I was either gonna do this or I was gonna do chicken quesadillas because of Cinco de Mayo. But I asked everybody, and everybody was like they wanted chicken alfredo. Hi, Mr. Steven. So I'm doing the chicken alfredo. Whoa. Noodles are boiling. So just give it a few minutes. We are at 3 minutes. So anyways, I guess I'm going to talk a little bit, okay, while this is go ahead and cooking. It's been about 26 days since I had to stop taking my CBD. I had to go take care of a couple of legalities, and I was taking away what kind of noodles? They're just thin spaghetti noodles. They're not, you know, sometimes they do the real thick ones, but I'm doing it a little different. I didn't have any real thick linguine noodles, so I just used regular. What's up, Mickey? We're doing chicken alfredo tonight. I already got the chicken and the alfredo sauce in. It's on a simmer of about 3, and then the noodles are at a boil. They're boiling right now. I'm gonna let it boil for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to everybody for a minute, and then once everything's done, I'll prepare a plate and I'll show everybody what the finished product is. I used classic alfredo sauce and 4-cheese alfredo sauce, and then I added some Parmesan cheese on top. But as I was saying, I got locked, well, I was taken away from my CBD for about 26 days, and I tell you, all of my symptoms are back, okay? I was asked, you know, my leg taps a lot because of anxiety and ADHD, like my body goes a million miles an hour, and with the CBD, it had cut it down. Like, I wasn't as high strung as I usually was, and also I use it for depression, which keeps my spirits down. Basically, you know, I'm sad all the time, but not really. But my anxiety is completely back. Like, my leg shakes a lot, and I get to where I'm talking too fast or speaking too quick. And so I can tell you that the product that I sell works, and it works tremendously. I'm going to order a bottle soon. I had about 3 weeks. Hi, Shelly. I had about 3 weeks that I didn't work, so I got to work a week to make a paycheck. But I will be getting another bottle of my oil next week. My product, my inventory that I had when I had to go take care of the legality, turned up missing all the product I had. So I got to replace it, which that's okay. It is what it is. I'm not mad about it or nothing. I'll jump back, okay? This is my second live since everything went down. I did a live last night. I'm doing a live tonight. I appreciate you for showing up, any of you and all of you. We're going to see how this chicken alfredo turns out. And I'm just going to ask anybody to let me know what they think of my video. You know, send me some love, maybe some likes. You know, just let me know that you're here and what you think. And if you happen to watch it on YouTube, send me some love. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and ding the bell to get notifications. I will have my phone back on soon, so I will be sometimes, probably Saturday or Sunday, like I had said in the past. I will be posting a live straight from YouTube into a few of my groups. I asked permission, and I've been given permission to post my link for people to watch from YouTube, just because when I go live on Facebook, well, let's just say this. The live I did last night is up to 800 views, okay? Now, if I had 800 views on YouTube per live, then I could I could partner with YouTube and make a little bit extra cash. Now, I'm not expecting everybody to sign up, you know, and da-da-da-da-da. But if you happen to go to YouTube and you happen to be a fan of YouTube, and you just, you know, you want to go and you want to see somebody doing things a little different, or you like watching my show and you don't catch it on Facebook, then you can go to YouTube. I do have a link. If you would like the link to maybe go see I have over 70 videos on YouTube. I'm up to 56 subscribers, and I am also up to 768 view minutes on there. Once I hit 4,000 view hours and 1,000 subscribers, I can partner up with YouTube. Which, what I'm doing is I'm doing this, and I'm teaching my 15-year-old daughter how to do the same thing. Everything I learn about the way to do it on YouTube, I tell her. She has a YouTube channel. She's a gamer. She plays Fortnite, and she's actually kicking my ass in subscribers right now. She has like 70 subscribers, but she's a beast, let me tell you. Her name is Zoe. Actually, her name is Ninja Blade. Well, one of the Ninja Blades. I think it's, I can't remember. There's 3 numbers afterwards, but I can't remember what they are. But she leads a team every time she goes on Fortnite, or she'll go in there by herself or with another person, and they will kick butt. And she directs the team. She shows them what to do. And I told her, I said, now, if you do this right and you respond to people that come onto your YouTube and say hi to you and things, if you keep involved with them, then your YouTube channel will grow up, okay? Now, my daughter is 15 years old. So by the time she's 18, I'm pretty sure she will be, well, she's at an age right now that if she starts making money with YouTube, she can get all the licensing and everything she needs to do to take taxes out, and for it to be an actual job to make extra money, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm just helping her along the way, and in doing that, I'm trying to build my own channel, because I have a live bake show that everybody sees all the time. Like I said, 70 videos, and if I added all my views together on Facebook, I'd probably be at 5,000-6,000 views. So basically it's working out to an advantage in my eyes. Kind of surprising. I never expected it to be like that, but I'm stoked about it. And looks like my noodles are almost done. Now, you guys have seen me how I test my noodles before. I don't know if I'll do that because the owner of the house is here and I don't know if he wants me throwing food in his house.
This is how many views he has.
Oh my goodness.
0.
That's my boss mark, guys.
Can't see you. Where's it at? Can you see? 0. Oh
my goodness. Okay. It's a little hot, so I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. And then I'm gonna fucking throw it. Oh, guess what? Noodles are done. So you wanna see that again? I did it. Okay, noodles are done. That's an old-fashioned way of checking noodles. My mom didn't show me that. I learned that on my own.
And he cooks really well.
No, I don't. I'm learning. So anyways, okay, I'm going to set you guys up over here because you guys are going to watch me strain my noodles. Okay, we got to watch it because I'm sitting you on a, okay. Okay, strain my noodles. I don't like that one bit. Ouch. I can't do that, so I need, stop. There we go. That's what we're going to do. Since it didn't want to work out for me, I'm going to do it like this. Now, you can hold the lid down, get all the water out.
Ow!
I don't like using this no more. Okay? So this will probably never happen again. Let me see what we got going on. Okay. There's probably still a little water left in it, but it burnt me, so I'm done. Okay, so I'll show you guys what the noodles look like. Noodles, alfredo sauce, all good to go. I'm going to dish up a couple plates. I will take pictures, and then I will post to show everybody what my dish looks like. Thanks for showing up, everybody. Y'all have a nice night, and I will see you again tomorrow doing something else. Maybe the pigs in a blanket with kielbasa. I didn't get enough kielbasa to feed everybody, so I gotta go back to the store. But like I said, thanks for showing up, and y'all have a nice evening. My YouTube, I will send you the link, Miki. Okay, give me just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and dish up these plates and take these pictures. But thanks for asking.